익히자. 토익도.
A. The woman is buying groceries. B. The woman is looking at books in a bookstore. C. The woman is watching a movie. D. The woman is painting a picture. A. The people are skiing on a mountain. B. The people are hiking in the forest. C. The people are riding horses. D. The people are swimming at the beach. Where did you buy that beautiful vase? A. It is a gift for a friend. B. The vase is on the dining table. C. I found it at a small antique shop downtown. What time are we meeting for dinner tonight? A. Let's meet at 7 p.m. at the new Italian restaurant. B. Dinner is my favorite meal. C. We are trying a new place tonight. How did you manage to increase the production output by 20% last month? A. The output has always been high. B. We optimized our production processes and added an additional shift. C. We received new machinery last month. When did the new software update become available for users? A. It's important to keep software up to date. B. Users need to download it from the official website. C. The update was released last Friday and is available for all users now.
Hi, Rachel. Have you completed the market analysis for our new product line?
Not entirely, Jack. I'm waiting for the latest consumer trend reports.
I thought those reports were supposed to be delivered last week.
They were, but the research company requested more time due to data discrepancies.
Do you know when we will get the final reports?
They assured me it would be by tomorrow afternoon.
Good. We need to finalize our strategy before the end of this week.
I understand. I'll integrate the data as soon as it arrives.
Question 1. What is the main topic of the conversation? Question 2. Why hasn't Rachel completed the market analysis yet? Question 3. When is the final report expected to arrive?
Good morning. I'd like to book a banquet hall for a corporate event.
Certainly. Can you tell me the date of the event?
It will be on the 22nd of next month.
We have the Grand Ballroom and the Emerald Hall available on that date. How many attendees are you expecting?
We are expecting about 150 people.
The Grand Ballroom would be ideal for that number. Would you like to proceed with the booking?
Yes, please. We'll need it from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m.
Understood. I'll reserve the Grand Ballroom for your event on the 22 ND. Question 1. What is the main purpose of the woman's call? Question 2. How many people are expected to attend the event? Question 3. Which hall will be booked for the event?
Hey, Jessica. Have you decided where to go for your vacation this year?
Yes, I'm planning a trip to Japan for 2 weeks.
That sounds fantastic. Have you figured out your itinerary?
I'm still working on it. I want to visit Tokyo, Kyoto, and Hiroshima.
You'll love Kyoto. The temples and gardens are breathtaking.
I've heard that. Do you have any hotel recommendations?
I stayed at a nice ryokan in Kyoto called Gion Hat Tanaka. It was a wonderful experience.
I'll check it out. Thanks for the tip.
Question 1. What is the main topic of the conversation? Question 2. Where is Jessica planning to go for her vacation? Question 3. What recommendation does the man give for accommodation in Kyoto?
Did you read the email from the HR department about the new company policies?
Yes, I did. It mentioned changes to the remote work guidelines.
Exactly. We'll need to submit weekly reports now.
I saw that. Do we have a template for these reports?
HR should be sending one by the end of the day.
Good. I also noticed they're updating the vacation request process.
Yes. It's now all done through the new online portal.
That should make things more efficient.
Question 1. What change in company policy is mentioned in the email? Question 2. What will employees need to submit weekly? Question 3. How will vacation requests be handled according to the new policy?
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for attending today's presentation on our new marketing strategy for the upcoming quarter. We will start with an overview of our current market position, followed by a detailed plan on how we intend to increase our brand visibility. I will also share some key performance metrics that we will be using to measure our success. Please hold your questions until the end of the presentation.
Question 1. What is the main topic of the presentation? Question 2. What will be discussed first in the presentation? Question 3. When should attendees ask their questions?
Hello, this is Sarah from customer support. I'm calling to inform you that your order has been delayed due to unexpected shipping issues. We apologize for any inconvenience this may cause. Your order is now expected to arrive by next Wednesday. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to call us back at 1-800-555-1234. Thank you for your understanding.
Question 1. Who is calling? Question 2. Why has the order been delayed? Question 3. When is the order now expected to arrive?
Dear team, this is a reminder that the deadline for submitting your quarterly reports is this Friday at 5 p.m. Please ensure that all reports are complete and submitted to the Finance Department by this time. If you need any assistance or have any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly. Thank you for your cooperation. Best regards, John.
Question 1. What is the deadline for submitting the quarterly reports? Question 2. To which department should the reports be submitted? Question 3. Who should team members contact if they need assistance?